a son. Son, you and your fucking son. Making him my grandson. Punchlines coming so random. So I slid up in this game like I had on slacks. Still sick, like I just snipped a line of anthrax. I'm just stating facts.
Yeah. Those were wrong from the shit. You know.
Everything's all good. Everything's all good. Everything's all good. Everything's all good.
Everything.
Goes where I roll from. Nigga, I can go to any hood. Bitch, I wish a nigga would.
What?
Nigga, I can go to any hood. Bitch, I wish a nigga would.
What?
Nigga, I can go to any hood. Everything's all good. 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 Goes where I roll from. I can go to any hood.
What?
Nigga, I can go to any hood, bitch, I wish a nigga would.
Yeah.
See, wow. Nigga, I can go to any hood, everything's all good.
Yeah, man, it's King Stokes. We back at it. Straight Barz Rap League. We back at it. Been gone for a minute, but now we back, baby. And we got another banger, man. We got the first ever male versus female rap battle. And you seen it here first, Straight Barz Rap League. Also, we got special guests everywhere in the building. We got battle rappers in the building. We already know. We got the homie Coolin Ray.
Yeah, man, you already know what it is.
You know what I'm saying? My whole DWI team, you know they everywhere. Mike the boss, what up, homie? Already, you know, got my brother with me right here. You already know he ain't here. But yeah, straight to the business though, man. It's Straight Barz, man. We about to get into this banger. You know what I'm saying? To my left, introduce yourself, homie.
Johnny Red, Mr. Radio already, if you ain't know.
You heard it. Alright, and to my right, introduce yourself.
You got your girl Marti Red, aka the Red Devil. Man, fuck all of that, I'm ready to back.
Okay. We gonna do a coin toss. I lost the coin.
Man, fuck that coin toss. Let me go. Well. It's July 2nd, nigga. And it's amazing how Raise the Bar and Straight Barz chose a bitch to come and check you, nigga. I've been hearing some shit, and well, that crack is reckless, nigga. But I crack stars, and since you inhaled that pipe, you signed your death wish, nigga. Let's go, baby. A little birdie told me you got ran out of LAG. The last visit had you hiding behind the legs, scared of both sex, looking for you. Affiliations, organizations of both colors of blue. What's the problem, Johnny? You forgot your own move. Back for it, nigga. That's your fatality move. Let me go. Cage, trap. Sonya come out with the wind blade. Y'all, I got this son of a bitch. He pussy made. I'm not playing games with you. I'm not Sega Genesis. I pull a cord, there's a pause. I call it splitting up sentences. How bright. I sent masquerades to New Orleans, Jay, for that Mardi Gras. My niggas keep masks on and they ain't even from New Orleans, Jay. Since Jay Red, I sent Crips to his crib that make him not wanna come out to play from B-More to LaGrange. I got official bullets to send them and they ain't even from New Orleans, Jay.
I got it.
Mr. Ready already? I've been waiting to catch this body. I got a nigga named Tommy who don't mind shooting the shotty. Johnny Swing, that 45, gonna have him. Hold on one second.
That was shit.
I said, Mr. Ready, y'all ready? I've been waiting to catch this body. I got a nigga named Tommy who don't mind shooting the shotty. If Jay Swing, that 45, gonna have him.
Yeah. Right, man.
I said, Mr. Ready, y'all ready? I've been waiting to catch this body. I got a nigga named Tommy who don't mind shooting the shotty. Lil Johnny Swing, that 45.
Alright, time. Alright, man. Straight Barz, man. Straight Barz Rap League. Marti Red, good shit. It's on you, Johnny. Round one. First of all, I told you, stop setting me up matches with these empty threat bitch ass I can rap but ain't gonna really do shit. Bitch ass niggas. And what you do? You thought I was trying to be funny. You set me up a match with some bitch ass nigga. You better be nice during this matter with. That mouth word show no pig. I'll stuff it down your throat, squeeze till your tonsils, teeth, and tongue come out your titties. You with me? Oh, you ain't with me, you with the titty committee, but ain't nothing my business. You got the real red, baby. You better be ready to do or die. Think back to the future when bullets let go. Cause you gonna see Marty make you fly, no lie.
Oh!
Y'all banking on this bitch? Well, bankrupt is all I can see. Two gorillas and a tech. Bitch, that's BB&T. When I walk over your hoe, all you gonna see when I walk over your hoe is two big ass rounds. That's Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo walk over your BB&T. I gotta bring them down. See? See? Fuck the child, but when I get a grudge, you'll see a ring. I'm a hell raiser. I puppet master, make sure the hills have eyes. Don't make the wrong turn and watch your step. Cause my resident is evil like the last house on the left. I'm the red and cougar sweater. I'm the sadistic look in Michael Myers' eyes. I drown you in Camp Crystal Lake like fuck that murder shit you talking about. Then Jason Voorhees these nuts in your mouth. See, I hop out. My brother hop out. He don't give a damn and I don't give a fuck. That means if I bust, he gon' bust. No need to duck. Quick buying Lucy's at the A-Rab. She gon' get to smoke twice for just $1. I make them say, what the fuck? I tie you to a monster truck tire and do donuts. Have your mama and your grandmama hold you down while I pick you up. What the fuck? Like I told you, I'm the best around this bitch. Point blank, period. When I point and I blank, you see blood. It's just point blank, period. I would make you with a same tampon for 5 days, dropping in some cherry Kool-Aid and make you drink that, period. Okay? Gone. Let you know like no other. I'm the only one red. Aight.
Straight balls, baby. Straight balls, man. Hey, look, round two, man. Round two. Marty Red, it's on you.
Now, I said, Gabby and Stokes conducted this real nicely. And I accepted this battle gladly. Because even though my name Red, I run with crip niggas who don't let Ray J get past me. Actually, I don't gang bang, but this is a sight I had to see. You gave me the power and I beg you, bitch. For Charles Ray, this is my masterpiece. Now tell me, how you want your body back, big or small? We can put you in the freezer in the mall, or put you in the ditch in Beverly Park. I said, we could put you in the ditch in Beverly Park. I ain't playing a game. Steph Curry with the ball. I hit a 3 to your chest and I ain't even 6'3" tall. So what you wanna do? Profit win like LeBron James, Brown on your ass, but I teach Mike how to moonwalk. I do this shit for real. And I ain't doing it for to make it appeasing. I seduce any nigga come my way, they call me Dirty Diana for a reason. Or we could turn this into a season.
They got the better. We got the juice going in.
If I spring forward with that knife, it'll leave Johnny with an hour less to bleed. And if he fall cold on leaves, We can make it a summer fling like treason. You say you got Glocks? Well, nigga, you sure gonna need 'em. You was with your ex for 2 years. That's a good little minute. You was selling mollies in the J, but you didn't even start slinging it, even finish. And for the 42-year-old side bitch, where she at? You will burn the chickens because you accepted fuck nigga habits from a nothing ass nigga. Bitch, you burning bridges. I say that because she a grown ass woman. How you even let this nigga get a shot? Then you suck unemployed dick and let him even crazy spot. Had I been Nene, I too would have been hot, but it ain't surprising because he tried to fuck me too. Oh, you don't? You ain't? Get one of the screenshots. Now let's read on. I did a late night to be honest, and this nigga liked it. I told him I'm gonna eat your ass July 2nd. He denied it. He said, fuck the battle. You my future wifey, and I just laughed at this nigga because he don't even know the diaper.
Talk about it.
Talking about you had a dream. Nigga, you ain't Martin Luther King. Talking about he had a dream. He ain't Martin Luther King. How the fucking my future wifey when your broke ass can't even afford a ring? Then the combo went on. He like, we gonna find a spot in the park to be alone, nigga. How can we fucking have a conversation? You ain't even got bill money on my phone.
Telephone bill.
Now first, round 1 was just a cover. Round 2, I just put metaphors like no other. And round 3, I'm gonna show you who really got red balls, motherfucker.
Fight that. Fight that. Fight back. Fight that.
Hey, now, first of all, people, why y'all got all riled up? For believing that, you a dumbass bitch. And for believing what she said, you're a dumbass bitch. And you already know, I sent that, before I sent that, that proves you're a dumbass bitch. Who will holler at an ugly bitch you looking like you dumbass bitch? Believe that. It's all been set up, the setup. You look like a man, so what real man will look like a bitch or be with a bitch that look like a man, understand? I started off with them straight balls. Then Johnny became red balls. Now that deadlift got me feeling like I'm getting the deadlift till I'm getting to them gold balls. Then they really don't want nothing. Some say, I'm ready for nothing. After I beat the son of nothing. Red had the son the big dummy. Now they call it Sin Sanford and Son. Fuck a home run. Cause when I'm aiming at Babe Ruth, this new jack on here wants to stuttering, then the stutter man, your back catcher, gonna need a back catcher when I pitch them big ass bullets underhand. Tell your ghostwriter man, he's probably a bitch ass nigga that probably prefers sitting down to pee. I'll total his recall, put an extra hole in his head. Lobotomy, I shine so bright. Lobotomy, I shine so bright. Gotta be God on the side of me, the clay shine bright. Like I put heaven inside the heat. Why we talking about personal? You don't know me personally, so what's a personal when so personal don't know you personally? But in the street, I heard you pop for the talk. This little Debbie getting more cream filling on it than a toaster strudel, so I'ma slide through, get my usual. The cut, no cutly, I even nicknamed the bitch my nutty buddy. I will hit your block with them frosted flakes. It got the sniffers going Fruity Loops. You better have Lucky Charms with my corn pops. You'll get 8 for breakfast, brunch, and lunch. You gon' get your big ass, fat ass head split like an Applejack. Now that's how Captain Crunch. Now, I just a little bit. They still love him. Now, let me calm down a minute. Now, let me find out you got that flour. I'ma send them boys in high off that water to do you greasy. And then a homemade gravy. Get it? Get it? Catch up. I know y'all brains ain't that damn lazy. I just affiliated a home invasion of how to make homemade gravy. You fucking crazy? I will make this chicken strip when I pull out that Big Mac Whopper. Potato on the barrel. You getting hot fries. You ain't gotta look to Louisiana to get hot fries. All you gonna see is a bitch hanging off the chopper. What that mean? Like Jamie Lee Curtis in True Lies, No Lies.
Movies don't get it. I need to watch. I got you. If it's a chiller hole. You done?
Beef, I can throw with some cabbage and we can make it happen. It's wartime, nigga, and I'm in the rage to get ratchet. You can be Tonto, I'll be John Reed. You know me as the Lone Ranger. I have not seen Johnny with not one gun he speaks on. But when I seen Johnny, he stood still like he heard a preacher song. Nigga, I just ran down on your ass and I ain't even got sneaks on. I didn't want to do this. I didn't have to kill Johnny tonight. Because I would have made him do his own homicide. Make him shoot himself, you can call that a suicide. 2 twin Glocks, can't choose which side. Someone put this bed to a side. Nigga, you gonna do or die, nigga, bye. This battle between you and I is just a prefix. Because in reality, when it comes to Barz, nigga, you ain't that strategic. Oh, you a blood? Well, where your bees, nigga? You gotta be high, but you tryna hide? I'll make Johnny red and give him the metal talking like a give Johnny 5.
Time, man. All right, man. 3rd round, man. It's it right here.
Hey, yo, I don't give a motherfucker what nobody say. I am fire. Facts. Understand what I'm talking about? She mentioned my name and Youngn mentioned my name. Right after they got the cotton mouth. Fire. 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 Now, you think because you got Gabby tuned in. You think you got Gabby tuned in? Bring it on. If you think you fight because you got Gabby tuned in, bring it on. Around a cheerleader in the air. That's a Gabrielle Youngn. What you talking about? I hope Time Warner, because she got basic cable flow. And the way I direct my TV, it make the crowd not want to blink. It's the way I'm dishing my network, and somehow we suddenly. I hit the block, my smokers get that Adult Swim. They pack their pipe like Popeye and take flight. While you new Nickelodeon ass niggas couldn't sell a nick at night. See, that Nina, like daddy's little girl. She wrote the diary of an angry black woman. She don't need no help. She like, why I get married when I can do better by my motherfucking self.
Okay.
Understand? this MC life. I will ride digger this the brat. Nothing you can say? You're not gangsters. Nothing gangster you can say to make them feel like you believe it. She's the queen of lies. Queen of lies through her teeth. Queen lie through your teeth. Queen lie through your teeth. Got tongue tied, but I still make them believe it. See, new niggas like Youngn, they're immature. Yes, that guy right there. Very immature. I got 2 Ks that'll come out with a new edition. That'll turn boys to men in the worst way. All they gonna hear is more shots than 112 coming from the B2K. There'll be no escape or TLC when I get the changing faces and go wild at Nina, a bad girl. She'll total your destiny, child.
Okay.
Meanwhile, there's nothing you can say. It's like that. No other. One red. It's red balls, motherfucker.
Aye.
Killing you soft. That did worse.
Hey, look. Straight Balls Rap League, man. Appreciate Raise the Ball Management coming through, man. I told you we were coming back with a bang. Straight Balls Rap League, man. We out of here.
Yo, I'm the best, but you know the answer. I'm a pain in the ass, colon cancer. Look, man, why these niggas hating? The fourth scene is death like Final Destination. I bring the house down, no shack attack, niggas stay squilling. I can hear it when they tap, but if I catch the rat, we gon' have a little scrap. I'ma grab a bat with barbed wires, no cactus jack. Little nigga, you don't wanna hear that tech, bro. I had them dots lined up on your chest like Connect 4. Little nigga, you don't really wanna battle me. These niggas ain't even making in my salary. I know y'all getting tired of these gat lines and mac lines and bat lines and how I'm strap line, but that just means flat lines. If not, I'll dump his head in the water like he trying to get baptized. You feeling gravy, then I'm tearing your onion. These slugs act like tapeworms, they'll lay in your stomach. When the H start to bake, you can relate to an oven. I make these niggas lose weight like Jennifer Hudson.
Got some ribbons I ain't deserve, bet say that's absurd, 1% get deserved. Been about 6 years since I got to hit the herb. U.S. Army soldier to civilian, I skip reserve. That's my word, all just joined the Army for the benefit. So corrupt this 20 years, I just couldn't finish it. Don't stop, bro, don't stop. I gotta battle this shit, bro.
Hey.
By the expression on my face, you see I ain't playing around, nigga. Don't take me as a joke, I am it, not the clown, nigga. I am really serious, not until with this verse shit. Came to fuck the game up, watch it give birth, bitch. I'm a musician and a magician. When I make it, don't be surprised when niggas start disappearing. Intimidating, nobody so afraid of me. Why you feel me? So much you wanna touch me. Can't find a way to get near me, I'm nearly untouchable. Just though I had no problem getting to you. Straight shot, no obstacle course, I know your every move. Say you move like a militant, but never get a salute. My brothers belligerent, not only when they in the booth. True shit. See, yo, we the militia, I'm in the nigga. You never know what I'm on. Could be pills, liquor, could be marijuana rolled up in the swisher. Truly lifted, homicide been on my mind for a while. You could be the victim. Real Jigsaw, boy, your fate is in your own hands. Our time is now. I see no reason to long stand. I'ma discipline you niggas for it, so a grown man. Got a tight grip on revolvers, know those shits don't jam, nigga.
Hey, DWI shit, man. Jigsaw, man. Yeah, you heard it. DWI shit. Fuck, man.
See what we said. We know we wild for life.
Small, bigger, small. I'm feeling like bigger, small, bigger, small. I'm feeling like bigger, small, bigger, small. I'm feeling like bigger, small, bigger, small.
Fuck the roads, ain't none of you niggas stopping me. Shoot up the court like